Okay, right. Hello once again, YouTube. Andy with you with another little video.
It's music to my ears, Steve.
So in today's video, I'm going to go and enter the idiot zone in quite a big way. This could either go very good or very bad. I do understand the risks I'm taking with what I'm about to do. However, I am looking to upgrade my drone at some point, so if things go bad, then, you know, it's not a massive loss. So what I propose to do today, because I was on this platform a few days ago, I flew my drone across the lake, and at the time there was a lot of water going over the dam. Wow. And I thought I'd get it quite close, have a bit of a look with my drone. However, I think I can go maybe 1 or 2 steps better than that.
Houston, we have a problem.
Because what I did notice, and you might have done as well, that in the actual fence there's a missing piece of wood, and I think it's just about the right size to get a drone to go through it.
This could very well be the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
As I say, this could go bad or it could go wrong, but either way, I'm going to enjoy myself, because that's what life's all about, isn't it? If you're stuck indoors doing nothing, getting bored, there's more to life than that. You've got to get yourself out here, take a few risks, because risks gets the adrenaline going and it kind of makes life a bit more interesting. There's a bit of a loose end today. I've done my work this morning, and I've kind of tidied up some of the house, and I got a bit bored, so I thought I'd come out here with the dogs and take them for a walk and fly my drone. This is an old decoy drone, by the way. This is an old DJI. I had some about a year or two ago, and it's seen better days, as you can see. Just thought I'd add that into the video. This was completely flooded. Yeah, not like 48 hours ago or something. It's amazing where all the water comes from and where it goes to. Being in October now, we're getting a lot of storms coming in. Storm season, not my favourite time of year. Autumn, I don't like it. Hey, thanks. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Damn, I could have robbed your car. Damn. Right, okay. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now. Come on, you two. Get in the car. Help if I opened it first, wouldn't it?